Should I plus verb plus noun. Should I get a pet? Should I adopt a pet? Should I get a tattoo? Should I start a blog? Should I quit smoking? Should I quit smoking? Should I write a book? Should I try skydiving? Should I start a podcast? Should I take up fishing? Should I try a new hobby? Should I start a journal? Should I buy a new laptop? Should I start composting? Should I join a book club? Should I volunteer abroad? Should I go on a road trip? Should I learn how to code? Should I learn how to code? Should I learn to play golf? Should I buy a new wardrobe? Should I learn self-defense? Should I buy a vacation home? Should I take this job offer? Should I take up photography? Should I change my hairstyle? Should I change my hairstyle? Should I go vegan for a month? Should I take a cooking class? Should I learn a new language? Should I take up rock climbing? Should I start my own business? Should I invest in real estate? Should I start a side business? Should I get LASIK eye surgery? Should I invest in index funds? Should I go vegetarian or vegan? Should I try meditation or yoga? Should I downsize my belongings? Should I apologize to my friend? Should I become a foster parent? Should I start a savings account? Should I start a YouTube channel? Should I buy a fixer-upper house? Should I go to bed early tonight? Should I enroll in a dance class? Should I go to bed early tonight? Should I enroll in a dance class? Should I ask for a raise at work? Should I learn how to sew or knit? Should I start a community garden? Should I invest in cryptocurrency? Should I pursue further education? Should I try intermittent fasting? Should I learn how to fly a drone? Should I start a vegetable garden? Should I redecorate my living room? Should I take a vacation this year? Should I attend a networking event? Should I invest in stocks or bonds? Should I invest in stocks or bonds? Should I organize a family reunion? Should I try a new workout routine? Should I study abroad next semester? Should I become a mentor to someone? Should I ask my crush out on a date? Should we go out for dinner tonight? Should I buy a new car or lease one? Should I buy a new car or lease one? Should I invest in a rental property? Should I go for a run or a bike ride? Should I buy a bicycle for commuting? Should I take up painting or drawing? Should I join a public speaking club? Should I watch this movie or that one? Should I cook dinner or order takeout? Should I try a new restaurant in town? Should I try hypnotherapy for anxiety? Should I start a blog about my travels? Should I dye my hair a different color? Should I become a certified life coach? Should I start a garden in my backyard? Should I get involved in local politics? Should I become a volunteer firefighter? Should I invest in a retirement account? Should I enroll in a mindfulness course? Should I join a gym or exercise at home? Should I buy a house or continue renting? Should I buy a house or continue renting? Should I start a YouTube cooking channel? Should I start composting my food scraps? Should I try acupuncture for pain relief? Should I take a financial planning course? Should I invest in stocks or mutual funds? Should I start a small business from home? Should I volunteer for this charity event? Should I try acupuncture for stress relief? Should I invest in renewable energy stocks? Should I learn to play a musical instrument? Should I confront my fear of public speaking? Should I buy a new car or repair the old one? Should I learn how to bake bread from scratch? Should I start a community cleanup initiative? Should I switch to a different phone provider? Should I save money or spend it on experiences? Should I apologize to someone I hurt in the past? Should I organize a fundraiser for a local cause? Should I start a YouTube channel about parenting? Should I start a YouTube channel about parenting?